Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the Silvera cases and cases like that in general. Them high profile, big wigs, big connection cases. It's the people that come out of the woodworks. Right? I talk about, you mean sometimes this stuff happen and not because this and then basically I try, say, don't go too hard upon the authorities them and don't go too hard. Let me tell you something right now. People like Uno and Iron Man, I can't make a real change. Find every single possible way to try to ease the pressure on the powers that be. We are reasonable people, we know how things work. But we also know how Iron Man work. When it comes down to them cases, talk about give man time, right? And don't talk about this and don't know that and leave that to this and leave that to the authorities. That's how enough of them cases in the Iron Man get solved. For example, the Patrick Bailey case, one of the most Mickey Mouse cases of all time. Remember the Issa case? Remember young Gabriel? Rest in peace. Film case drag out. But they may ask somebody, so what go on with the mother there? What should they? Me don't know. Before me go into that, my patron birthday shout out. This one going on. The ball giant. Jamaican give you a nickname for everything. If you drop off one roof and broke your hand, your name Brocky. If them see you, I fix my engine, then call you crankshaft. If them see you under your car front end and move it, your name ball giant. If you lose a hand, your name Wani. You see, this is why it's important to understand how cultures work, because if you come from Sweden and them place and you're a man, say, alright, I go in and go check ball giant. You think they are parts, You think they are going to a parts store. You know what's it, right? And the man himself, ball giant from the Patreon squad. Today I'm Earth Strong, we will big him up. Ball giant, enjoy your day. Right? More life seen. Bless you. You see people that say, yo, you load up the people and do them job. One of the reasons why the movement exists is because these people don't do them job. You think there'd be a quote-unquote survey if these people did their job? I'd be obsolete. Bloggers would be obsolete. There'd be no need for no bloggers on the YouTube. People just have confidence in the system. People that will say, well, that one, alright, well, the big wigs them are going to deal with that and then people will start wait till the case solved. That's not how things work in Iron Man. The only reason why you have the little YouTuber and My View and Popeyes and them channels, the only reason is because these people don't quote unquote do them job. Right? Don't tell me about leave man to do them job. What job? When left to do the job, we see I don't know much Mickey Mouse case over the years. You know much case I wish I was around when it got on. Like the Patrick Bailey case. What I would do to be around when that case dropped. I wish somebody would look for me and tell me this foolishness. If me never channel them time there. Left to do job, how did that work out? You know what of them unicorn story? Not even a Nancy. Unicorn story. Right? Them throw up on people and just gone so. Nothing come out of it. And even now in the era of social media and everything can get posted up in 1 second, we still have the unicorn story about little Gabriel claims to stood on a patrol and man draw out a car and kill the youth. How long it take for this go on, how long that take for go on. Leave them alone for do job. I have to ask the question them. You know what is not your job? Protecting those in positions of authority. They don't need you to protect them. These are highly educated and sophisticated people. They can speak for themselves. People who can't speak for themselves, that's who want to speak for, but who don't want to speak for them. Too busy bootlicking. Right? But give man, make man do them job. Not them people here, brother. Not them people here. In the future, right? 50 years from now, you're probably going to start to see look at YouTubers, right, have like a role in the JCF itself where them like turn up on the scene, right, with the, right, scene a crime on them, right, and actually look on the body, and then look when time man move the body, at this it will reach now probably 50 years, 100 years, you go see. Remember the deputy chief, Arville, may that man rest in peace. Remember that? It was only after it was obvious, say, them couldn't lie about the accident. Right? Remember me showing you the picture and showing you say the man have a rope around his neck. Right? PIA special operation picture. Who knows what they made have said to this day? The Gova Spiritual Ill would have been the story and it done this so. That picture made them know how to turn them story around into something even more ridiculous. The man go over the goal and go hang himself. Because now they can't argue say the man have rope around his neck. In every murder, when people respond to it, whether the police or whoever, when them turn up on the scene, you gotta have man there they were willing to work with the narrative. Alright, at least we are gonna say now. Alright, she killed herself, or boy, a 6 chicken dead. We're gonna just ignore the gunshot them. This way around the scene. All they need is a one man to say, yo, no, it not go so. In this day and age, that one man, I forgot link the local YouTuber, I forgot link. Right. This is a blast or something like that. Right. But in the future, you're going to see local YouTubers pan the scene and turn up with police. And this is never going to reach. Because we know that man, the deputy chief, did not kill himself. And that is the official story. That he killed himself. He hung himself. So now, if it was the car accident narrative, it would be easier to digest. Because people go over goalie every day. Don't if be a genius, just be smarter than a German Shepherd. Right? You know say that the man did not kill himself. You know that man did not go down to the goalie and come out of the car and tie a rope on his neck. Right? So now we know a unicorn story that. Leaving it to the quote-unquote authorities would have stuck to car accident, case done, move on. So don't tell me about leave Silvera case to authorities. Because a big wig this, and them friend them this. Regular 87, regular chopper, a buyout. Squaddy, regular 87 a do it. You think people like Silvera can't? Don't tell me to leave nothing to the authorities. The Patrick Bailey case, him in the house, all kind of badness are going in the house. Gunshot, a fire, all kind of things. Cowboy, western. In the house there. Everybody know except him. Man. Oh, I wish I was around when that case dropped. You know case get dashed way? The X6 case. Remember that case there? I wish I was around for that case. Where the Jamaican people were played like a violin. But everybody was so emotionally charged. Everybody was just, that's the story. That's what the authorities say. X6 bomb up in a taxi. Gunshot fire. And two man getting carried and man dead. What's what happened? And it wasn't a random act of violence because car bomb pan, but the two of them know each other. The shooter and the young man who lost his life. It was a personal matter. It wasn't a bump up in a car thing. I wish I was around for these cases. Leave it to the authorities. No. Because man, we help them friend get out of a case. More my son was a case. Alright. Well, and you're a gun dealer and you're a car driver. So you have to go this. You have to take the charge, and when you go court, obviously, realistically, nobody can convict you because it wasn't you. And then no witness go start stutter car witness go say, well, it look like this and the car, but are the man, is it really the man? Easy case, walk out. So the Melissa Silvera case, there would have been an official narrative, right? True. No, the autopsy. Enough people who know Melissa and Jolyan know say Jolyan is a hothead. I tell you, the man killed the dog and threw in front of him and gate. That should show the type of headspace what the man they have. And that the story there is known within his circle and nothing will come out of it. Everybody know Jolyan Silvera is a hothead. So when Melissa dead, enough people who they around them automatically start say, yo, make sure say a really special autopsy go on. That's why I'm going to get out of it, because people who actually check for her were immediately spooked about dead in her sleep argument. If it wasn't for that, case done. In order to carry out a proper cover-up, you must have people in the machine helping you with the cover-up. That's why it's called a cover-up. To pretend like there's no long history of people getting all kind of crimes covered up, and it's ridiculous. Squad here helped 87 cover up in crime. Imagine Jolyan Silvera. So don't tell me, Bono, trust the process. And wait panda this and wait panda that. My process is PIA. My process is PIA Special Ops. That's my process. Press conference and all up a knives and all up a talking and big words. That's another my process. Murder most foul. So don't tell me nothing. But not trust no process. And wait on this and wait on that. You have about flight risk. This is not organized crime where you're trying to take down one order. So you build a case and slowly work on this and make sure it's alright. When time we go for him, hold him. When time a murder happen, right, two things can happen. The person can either say, alright, right, you're going to stick around and them are going to know Sammy anyway, or the person can jump on a plane and cut nothing come out right. As son of murders are Iron Man or so. People just cut, flight risk. Jolyan Silvera, flight risk. With no charges or nothing against him, he can do what he want to do. Legally. So you can't give him an eternity for just do what he feel like. But because he knows say he have enough links, that's why he was so confident. Even the night they hold on upon him, he still come like he never realized he might get hold on upon. That's how confident he was. Now from any video, I say this, let's tell me something like a bounty killer. Post it. Right. Of Silvera make a statement. It's like Montague, Ninja Man and bounty killer in one picture. And Silvera say, like he must say, oh if you have them man to talk about crime, man, you must say Ninja Man charge for this and bounty charge for that. You know, I say this brother highly acidic. But in my opinion, who him really go after, right, wasn't Ninja or Bounty. It was Montague. That post was for show up Montague, because him and Montague are political rivals. So I try to show say Montague have poor judgment. Yeah, you call him judgment poor if you go work with them, man. That's the problem. That's what I try to do. I don't think he's going after Ninja and Bounty. He might go after Montague by using Ninja and Bounty as examples. So see my poor judgment. But again, that's rich. That's wealthy. Coming from Jolyan Silvera. Right. And remember, at one point this man was in the House of Parliament helping to pass laws. How to deal with abusive people, especially abusive men. The House of Fraudulent, people who have history of dining, some even lay down in a bed with gunman. Men who, as we know, have long history of being very violent to them spouse. Sit down and draft up all kind of bills and tell us that they might bring this out to protect women and protect this and domestic abuse and domestic. So I'm saying it's the House of Fraudulent. They might tell us that them clamp down upon any kind of abuse when there are abusers. Them clamp down upon crime and they're criminals. They might clamp down upon fraud and they're fraudsters. When they say part called Keckle Black, this is something that you see in Iron Man regular, like, you know, my teeth better than your teeth. Right. Okay, yeah, me rape a bull, but me only rape, right, from 30 up. Right. You rape from 25 to 29, so therefore I'm superior to you. Right. Like, this is the battle of who is the better criminal. Me and the man are the same dog, because me only kill males between the ages of 25 and 42. Right. Them man they, right, he shot my woman, and I'm more virtuous. It's crazy. But it's irie. You know what I'm saying? If you have fame, if you have power, and if you think you're hot, you know I say nothing till you're irie. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.